As a responsible supplier, we are committed to minimising our environmental impact throughout our processes, from responsibly managed forests to your home. Our journey begins at the source, where all our shutter ranges are sourced from responsibly managed forests. For every tree harvested, we ensure new trees are planted, maintaining a continuous and sustainable wood supply. The wood we use comes from fast-growing softwood plantations that yield high-quality timber within just 10 years. We maintain a robust chain of custody for our wood, ensuring it is carefully managed in compliance with the United Kingdom timber regulations. We work closely with our manufacturer to ensure we are here for the people and the planet. They offer superior quality control practices, such as quarter-sawn timber, which makes the wood more robust and enhances the performance of the louvers. Our manufacturer also shares our commitment to sustainability. They are the only shutter manufacturer which produces a comprehensive corporate social responsibility report. The final stage is the product, but before our shutters reach your home, we ensure that all our shutter ranges are fully compliant with REACH regulations. REACH aims to provide a high level of protection of human health and the environment from the use of chemical products. Then our shutters are delivered to our retailers to be fitted into your home. When you choose S-Craft products, you're investing in more than just window coverings. You're investing in a product built on dependability, excellence, sustainability, and genuine care. S-Craft. Join the journey.